Okay, guys, we are going to be playing Bill Battle. Do do do. Bill Battle. Do do do. Bill Battle. Do do do. Bill Battle. What are we making? Trash can. Ew, stinky. This is gonna be a stinky can. So let's make it one of those really see-through ones. You know those trash cans everyone hates because like all the juice and junk falls out? I say junk a lot now. I should stop saying that. Okay. All the yucky stuff just falls out. The gooey, ooey stuff. Ugh. And no one likes those trash cans because everything falls out. Yeah, I'm gonna make one of those. I'm just gonna make a trash can no one likes. Hi guys, let's just make a trash can no one likes. Ha! Everyone will love me if I make trash cans no one likes. If you like this trash can, say in the comments below. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying they're stinky. Okay? Okay, good. No one's feelings are hurt. Good. Do do do. Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm just saying, guys. Okay, so let's make that trash can. Make that trash can. It needs to be even on all sides. So I just kind of move this out one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go 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 go. There we go. Now let's move it here. Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm just a little problem. Now I have Okay, guys, we have to hurry. We have to hurry. We have to hurry. I have to make the nasty stuff that goes in there too. What? What? Okay, I can go one more out. That's always gonna work, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's move faster. Guys, have to move faster. Move faster. Okay. So, do do do. I'm a carrot. Do do do. I'm a carrot. Do do do. I'm a carrot. Do do do. What the? Huh? Okay, I can go one more out here too. Okay, okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong. One more out. There we go, there we go. There we go. I just underestimated how far out I have to go. I'm a carrot. What? Huh? Oh no. What? Oh no. I'm just gonna make these really big. Okay. I'll do it there. Faster, guys, faster. We have to go faster. Faster. I'm a carrot. Do do do. I'm just saying. Okay, here we go. Now I have to make yucky goo in there. And I'm gonna put a can in there. A can. That will be pretty fast. So I just have to go. Do do do. I'm a carrot. Do do do. Tomato. Tomato. Let's make a tomato. Now if I go to customs, no, if I just go to foods, I just need to put some open melon, cut open melon, purple grapes, sushi. Okay, guys, that's all we need. We can do this. We can do this, guys. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm not scared. You guys scared? I'm not. I'm not. No, 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 no. I'm not scared. Just gonna fail. I'm just gonna have some stinky lines. Stinky lines. I'm just gonna have some goo on the sides because everyone likes that goo. Everybody likes that goo. the goo. Must have the goo. Go. There we go. Okay, hopefully they like mine. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. The stinky goo is beautiful. The stinky goo is beautiful. Okay, it needs a stinky. Okay. It's okay. I like it. It's okay. It's pretty good. Alright. That's a trash can. It's not a trash can. Wherever you come from, that's not a trash can in my place. I'm just gonna say okay because I don't want to poop anyone. What the? I have to do it. I'm just like, it's okay. Not the best. Actually, I'd say it's pretty good. It's okay. Wait, I'm just gonna let them decide and see a lot of poops in there. Let's see what the stinky stuff is in there. Gunky. Yeah. Don't want to go in there. Whoa, it's like a futuristic. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. 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 Okay, the end of this. Ooh, this is nice. Actually, it's an epic. It deserves epic. Yeah, I've done everyone epic. Whoa, it even has this purpleness coming out. Wow, dude, ew, and adds the slangies. Yes. Okay. This is pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good. Because here's all the junk and I can't get out. Whoa, this one's good. I can see where they're going with this. I'm just gonna do a heart. Just actually, yeah. Might as well not. But I don't get this, but okay. This is pretty neat up here. I inspect the trash cans. I'd say this is pretty good, actually. It's pretty bows. The futuristic one. I came 7th. GG. Gotta get those GGs in. 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 I'm a dick. I'm a birdie. Whack. No, wait. Tap. I'm a beautiful birdie that fly with the wings. I'm a beautiful birdie. Okay, guys, we gotta end this video here with this beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. We gotta end the video here, so see you guys next time, and bye!